Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, it is Saturday today, and it is the weekend, and my house hunting continues. But I want to go ahead and still give you a video. And today is going to be unboxing Scentbox. And this is actually the box that I got as a gift, actually, from Opinionated Horsewoman who actually just recently signed up. So if you want to find out how you can get your bottle free perfume, stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, welcome back. Like I said, happy Saturday, and we're still house hunting. But I want to go ahead and still put up a video every day since I've been doing every day since a year almost, September 1st. And you guys know how much I'm striving to get that 1,000 beautiful wildflowers before that date. But as I say in all of the videos, if I don't, it is what it is, and it's okay. And thank you so very much for you guys that you're out there and enjoying my content. But before I unbox this, I'll tell you a little about it and how I got this and how you can get one. But I want to go ahead and do our Power Thought cards. Today is Power Thoughts. I thought, great, it's Saturday. I feel like, I'm little rested, and so let's do that. Okay, so let's see what we have today. Pretty card, and so very appropriate. And wow, I couldn't have picked a better. My hands is guided because it says, I have the perfect living space. I have the perfect living space. Well, almost, but this is kind of funny because you guys know I'm house hunting now. We have to move by September 1st. And we've been searching and searching, and we're very close to finding that place, that perfect place. And I continue to go after it because we are still early. We started in the hunt a little early. But, wherever you find yourself and however the environment is, you have to make a home for yourself. And you have to say, I have a perfect place here with the ones that I love and doing the things that I enjoy. Otherwise, you'll go crazy because some of you don't have the option to just pick up and leave. Whoops, sorry about that. Plank time, that's gonna have to wait. So anyway, yeah, like I was saying, some of you may not have the opportunity to pick up and leave and change your living space when you get bored with it or when you don't like it, right? And so it's really important that you really appreciate what you have because you do have a place to live, right? There's a lot of people out there that are that's not fortunate enough to even have a roof over their heads. You have a roof over your head, that's perfect. Just make it what it is and maximize it and optimize it, okay? And in the back, these have the things in the back I remember now. It says, I see myself living in a wonderful place. It fills my needs and desires. It's in a beautiful location and at a price I can afford. That's another piece. There's a lot of people out there that especially here in California, the cost of living is very high, right? I think, was it Jenna that asked me, they talk about how expensive California is. Is that true? Well, you have to put it in perspective, first of all. But I see a lot of people working 2-3 jobs, even nurses, to live in a place that is like, wow, right? And we're talking $2-3 million as a nurse. And is it really worth that? I don't think so. For me, it's not. But like, like Jenna was asking, well, what is the rent like there? Well, here, I live in the Silicon Valley, and it's probably the most expensive area here in San Francisco Bay Area in all of California. So you're looking at a, average rent of $3,500 to $4,000 a month, right? So, you talk about that in some East Coast areas, and they're like, oh my God, that's like, I can buy 3 houses for that amount. So, but again, the salary and everything else is relative to that, but it is quite expensive. And this last piece here that says, a price I can afford, and this is the challenge, right? How much are you willing to pay? And so yeah, so it's really important that you have a perfect place to live and you're comfortable with it and you're not struggling just to have, you know, something wow, right? So yeah, good card. Okay, so as I was saying, Scentbox. So this is a monthly fragrance subscription, and I get 2 of them a month. And they also, when you subscribe, you get your unique code. Well, you don't get any like money or anything for that, but you know, anybody can do it. It's not just, you know, creators. But what you do is you share with a friend, and then if they subscribe, you get a free choice of whatever perfume that you want. And so, and this is how I got this. And Stephanie recently wanted to get in on it, and she wanted a fragrance subscription. So she did use my code, and so I got to pick something. And what I did this time, I know exactly what's in here because I picked oldie but a goodie and something that I should love years ago. I don't know if the fragrance has changed over time, but I'm going to share with you what it is. And it is you could get it as cheap as $9.95 a month for one fragrance a month, and it could go up to $14.95 a month depending on what kind of a package you get. And I get the 2 package one where I think I paid like $37 and change. Yeah, for both of them. But the good thing is this company, unique to other companies, is that they do allow you to return a fragrance, even if it's the free one. Let's say I got this one here free, and I don't like it because I picked something random. I can return it, and it's really easy to return, and it's really easy to get a new one. No problem. They don't ask you any questions other than the fact, you know, are you still satisfied that we exchange it for you? A very good customer service. I enjoy the customer service, and the and it's unique that people, because I know Scentbox does not allow you to return the fragrance at all. And neither did the other one. I forgot what that company was. I was with them very short time. Yeah. And so, yeah. So it comes like this. And another uniqueness about this company is the fact that you get these containers. You get these containers every time you get a fragrance. And with like Scentbox, you don't. You get one for free, and then the rest of it is like if you are a member, it's $10 per you're paying. So if you, let's say a bottle of perfume is $9, you're paying $19. And so, but no, this is automatic. And this one here, when it's a free one, I noticed that the containers are special. They're different colors, and I enjoy that. And I just looked at it, and also the name of the perfume is down here on the bottom. And I'm going to share with you, this is Christian Dior Poison. And this is not the newer Poison, but this is the original Poison, and I really, really love this fragrance. And like I said, it's a classic. Let's see. Let me spray. Yes, yes, yes. This is the original, and I love this. And yeah, let me see if I can pull it up for you and see what, because I can't really recall what the underlying scents are, but I really do enjoy it. Hold on. Okay, so I found it, and the other newer one is called Hypnotic Poison. I do have it, and it's pretty good, but I don't like it as much as the original, which is it. The bottle actually looks like this, and it is a premium fragrance. And let's see if I can read for you what this fragrance base and everything is. And so, okay, some perfumes are born a myth, provocative and mysterious since its creation. Poison is Dior's ultimate weapon of seduction. Its exceptional alchemy is created by a rich blend of spicy, fruity, and amber notes with sensual honey and musk accords. An unforgettable and charismatic oriental fragrance. I had to change the page here. An unforgettable and charismatic oriental fragrance. The fragrance of the Poison line takes a new direction with daring provocation. They are fragrance created to surprise and astonish, to let women assert their femininity with confidence. Notes of coriander, tuberose, and oroponax. Oroponax, okay. I don't know what that is, but okay. So as far as the characteristics, it looks like gourmand. It's sexy, it's evening, and it's a winter fragrance. But actually, you know, I mean, I like it. I mean, throughout the year, and I just think it's such a classic fragrance, and I've always liked it. I mean, I remember when it first came out many years ago, and I fell in love with it. And yeah, very nice. You know, I'm happy to have it. So yeah, as I said, they do give you points, and they give you rewards. And every time you get a shipment, you get a like dollar amounts of, I think it's $4.95 that I get every month. And so it adds up over time. So now I've been saving it for a while because you can get a free bottle of perfume that comes in as regular packaging. So yeah. And yeah, so it's actually worth it. If you like fragrances, I know some of you can't, you know, you love to wear perfume, but you can't because it gives you a headache or whatever it may be. But those of you who do enjoy it, I mean, give it a try. I mean, I really love the company. And you can cancel at any time. I mean, no obligation, right? So yeah, okay, that's it today. I know it was quite short, but I wanted to just come on here and say hello and make sure that you guys are all doing well. So if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing and ringing that bell. And today is the last day for my giveaway, and I will end it at 6 p.m. today, Pacific time. So if you want in on it, I'll go ahead and drop the link below. You have to follow the directions and do what's in that video, okay? And so, okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, good night, a good week, or good weekend, whenever you're watching this. It doesn't matter. Just remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.